Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. Today we are going to talk about the JEE mains and advanced examinations. So first we'll begin with JEE mains 2019. Now this is an undergraduate examination and also a national level examination. The number of sessions there would be 2 sessions, that is twice in a year. In January and in April. The mode of examination for paper 1, that is for BE or BTech, completely computer based, whereas paper 2, that is for B bachelor's in architecture or B planning, the mathematics and aptitude test will be computer based, whereas drawing test will be pen and paper based. Now the purpose of the examination is admission into NITs, IITs and CFTIs and also a qualifying test for JEE Advanced. The official website is nta.ac.in. Next, moving on to JEE Advanced. This will be conducted in a computer-based test mode. It would have 2 compulsory papers. Of 3 hours duration each. Let me write hours properly. So 3 hours duration each. Questions in each paper will be asked from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Students need to answer questions from each subject or section. The questions will be multiple choice questions and numerical. Some questions may have multiple correct options, in which case the candidate needs to get all the options right to get full marks. If candidate gets only one or few of the options right, then partial marks will be awarded. If no attempt is made, 0 marks will be awarded. The exam will be in English and Hindi languages. So the language you can give it in English and Hindi. But you can only choose one language during the test. For any more details or queries, you can call, WhatsApp, or message us at 98-367-93076 or visit our website, that is www.souravclasses.com. Thank you for watching the video.